Guys, Miss Lord of Mercy is in critical condition. She is currently in stuck mold, as you can see. She's having troubles trying to get out of her mold, which is not good. I mean, she has not eaten for about a month. She refused food, and I was wondering what's going on with her, because that's usually not the OBT style. They usually always eat. But then today I came in and noticed that she is molting, which, yeah, that's why she didn't want to eat. But then looking closely at her after a few hours, she's still in the same position. So that means she is stuck in this current mold, because tarantulas, when they're stuck in mold, it's very difficult to get them out of the mold, because they can die, and a lot of them do actually die when they're stuck in their mold, because their molds start to get hard and they just can't come out. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to help her. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. She's a very big OBT. I mean, check her out compared to my hand, super big. I've had her for about 4 years now, and this looks like a very bad mold. So I don't know, we'll try our best, because if we don't do anything, she's gonna die anyway, so we might as well try something, right? So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm really worried, because I don't want to lose her. Like, seriously, I don't want to lose her. Okay, we'll use this container over here. I'll get some paper towels just to make it a soft surface for her. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Yo, what was that, man? Alright, let's go. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this down here like this, and just give it a quick spritz so it's not too dry. There we go. Just a double spritz, just like that. I'm going to have to do this super carefully. Let's put that over there. Whoa. Calm down, box. How am I going to do this? I'm not sure. This is so sad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, that's really bad. Oh my goodness, this is not good at all. Come on, girl. You can do this. You can do this. I don't know, guys. What am I supposed to do? Because if they're in stuck mold and it's like one leg, no issues. But this is like the entire body, you guys. I have no idea what to do right now. Yep, this is not her leg. This is the mold. Don't worry. What's happened? So sad. This is so sad. Miss Lord of Mercy. What is happening, girl? Oh my gosh. That's not good at all. You can see she has fluids, and oh no. Girl, what has happened? I'm not sure if I'm able to do this. Come on, girl. You can do this. You can do this. No idea what's happening right now. Why are you stuck in mold, girl? I think she's already all hardened up, and oh my gosh, I have no idea. I can't do anything anymore, because this is like, ouch. I feel the pain. I feel the pain. Okay. Anyways, let's just try our best. Okay, we'll try our best. Let's just remove this bottom over here. Sorry, girl. I have to do this. Oh my goodness. I don't think we'll be able to save her, guys, because as you can see, pretty much all of her legs are stuck. I think we're gonna have to euthanize this girl. This is my first OBT, and she's been with me for so many years, and she is fully stuck in mold. She's been in this position for hours. Don't worry, guys, I didn't like see her molting and just assume that she's in stuck mold and just straight away took her out. No, unfortunately, this girl, she's been in the same position for hours, and what am I gonna do? I guess she will not be able to come out, because her legs over here are all already hardened up, so it's almost impossible to get her out or for her to slide out. So yeah, that's really sad. As you can see over here, you guys, like over here, you see her legs, they're not able to slide out of this shell. They're like super hard already, because usually a tarantula, before they molt, their exoskeletons are very moist, so they can slide out of the exoskeleton without any issues. But this girl, it's all solid already, and there's nothing that we can do. I thought that she would maybe like already come out and then stuck in one leg, but unfortunately this girl, her body isn't even out of the mold. It hasn't even come out, not even a single bit. I mean, yeah, a single bit right there. That's pretty much it. But that's, I don't know, I guess there's no way to do this anymore. This is so sad, you guys. I don't know why. Girl, I mean, OBTs, they are from dry climates, and I mean, even her enclosure, even if they're from dry climates, I do spritz her enclosure every couple days, and I just spritz her a little bit more just now, but looks like it didn't really work. It didn't really help her, because tarantulas, it's not from the outside humidity, it's from their insides. So if their lack of like moisture, they get stuck mold. Looks like I can't do anything for her right now. She's gone, guys. She's pretty much gone. I have no idea. She's like super wet, and oh man, I can see her suffering. This is, oh my gosh. So I guess let me just, I'm currently editing a video right now, but since this is happening, I want to search for like, okay, so I am looking for humane ways to euthanize a tarantula, which is, I don't know, I never thought I would actually search for something like this. Methods of euthanasia, arachnoboards, spider, how to put your tarantula down, the humane way, posts, ultimate molts. Okay, wait, let's see what people have to say. I did search forums, okay, blah blah blah. What? Squashing? Okay, wait. Okay, what is this nonsense? Get away. Refrigeration takes a long time, but would not induce a level of pain that freezing would. That has blah blah blah. It is also possible such species will experience pain. Okay, so refrigerating, nope. Freezing, the common method, especially when we're talking about teas. I don't understand why it is preferred. Complex nervous, extremely sensitive. Okay, maybe not. Crushes everything. It assumes method relatively humane, however disturbing. In most cases, the first impact leaves too much of the nervous system, possibly causing pain. Microwaving. I've never heard of anybody actually trying this, but I've seen it brought up. It's like blah blah blah. Suffocation. Freezer method. It's one I've used in past. It's best possible, probably not, but Peter Myers popular. I've already got with CO2. I'll only freeze small specimens. I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. Okay, let's just see this one because it's a video. Oh, it's such a long video. Where's the part where you euthanize? Okay, wait. Somewhere over here. So I'm watching another video right here. Okay, what do we do?
Finally passed away.
What did you do? What did you do, dude? Alright, I've got another website from Tarantula Heaven. Put your tarantula down. Let's read this. Alright, so this website says blood force. They're very popular and blah blah blah. What is this? Drop a heavy on their tarantula. Nope, I'm not dropping something on Miss Lord of Mercy over here. Nope, we're not doing that. Sacrifice is to feed to a healthier tarantula. Behind this, tarantula is not wasted and blah blah blah. Okay, no, I'm not feeding her to another tarantula. Sorry, no, we're not doing that. Putting to sleep by freezing. Yeah, a lot of people do it, but then some people say it's a slow and painful death, so we're not gonna be doing that. Dry ice, CO2. I don't have CO2. I don't have dry ice. Maybe I should start to get CO2 and dry ice like on standby, because I don't have dry ice or CO2. So, I mean, when I was watching this video over here, I came across this comment from Edward Tyndall. He said that you could drop them in a cup of Dawn dish soap and water. Instant death works with most insects, very effective on wasp and hornet. So maybe I could try that. I'll probably use like Dawn dish soap and then just like dip her in or something, like an instant death. I have no idea, but yeah, I think that's the best option for me right now, because the guy who made this video about euthanizing tarantulas, he did comment back saying that even though I preserve most of my tarantula, donate them, blah blah blah, do not, and the method you share is a valid option. So I guess it's worth a shot, because I mean, it's better than letting this girl suffer for even longer, right? I mean, we should just like put her down. And I don't want to smash her because that's gross. Okay, number one, that's gross. I don't want to put her in the freezer because people say that it's slow and painful death. Yeah, I do agree with that to a certain extent, because tarantulas have fluids in their body, right? So if you put them in the freezer, they'll freeze from the inside out. So no, okay, no. And then I read that some people say like put them in the microwave. Nope, I'm not exploding her in the microwave. That's not gonna happen. And I don't have carbon dioxide. I don't have smashing. See, smashing, lethal injection. How are you gonna like stab? I mean, you stabbing a tarantula is already gonna hurt it even more. So no, out of the question. Lethal injection, no. Freezing, you see, smashing, which I'm not doing. Injection, which is not practical, and freezing, which no, I don't want to do that, because that's kind of not as fast as you may think it is. So I guess the Dawn dish soap is the other option, right? Let's see, any other things. If you must kill the spider, the best way is to freeze it. Hey, a lot of people are still talking about freezing their tarantulas and stage. I don't have all these things because I never expected these to happen. And she's been molting super well, no issues whatsoever, and now she's just... So yeah, I guess we'll do the dish soap thing because really there's not a lot of methods. I mean, I'm searching online right now and methods of other than the freezer. Okay, other than let's just search this one and we'll see. Okay, I think your best, cheapest bet will be the freezer. Had a feeling. I figured I'd talk about this. Well, do some research. CO2. I don't have CO2. I don't know where to get CO2. There's no CO2 where I live. I can't be like breathing into her. No, that's not gonna happen. For a cold blood, death by way of cold is about non-cruel, as efficient as you can get. The toilet? What, dude? No. You're bad, Smitty. Bad, Smitty. Bad. I agree. It's not like it's gonna shiver and cry. Oh, what the hell? Could be real quick. Liquid. Where the hell am I gonna get the liquid nitrogen? Drop the heck. No, I'm not doing that. You know what? I'm just gonna try the dish soap. I don't know if this video is gonna get a lot of hate, but for me it's gonna be way better than to just let her suffer like this, because she's gonna be like this. She's gonna suffocate us. She's pretty much gonna be stuck. You know that guy who got his hand stuck in the boulder when he went hiking alone or something like that, and he had to amputate his arm? No, I'm not gonna be letting her do that because she's gonna suffer and she's gonna die in this position. Like, yeah, I'll just go get the dish soap. I hate to do this, guys. I hate. Are you sad with me? Are you sad too? Okay, we'll use this container. This is gonna suck so badly. I hate this already. Sorry guys if you're gonna have to see this, because I don't know. I'm just showing you guys my whole journey in this hobby. It's time to say goodbye to her. This sucks so badly. This sucks so bad. Alright girl, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Alright guys, here we go. I'm sorry girl. Hey guys, so she is dispatched. As you can see, no movements, all gone. Miss Lord of Mercy. She's just gone, you guys. She's gone. So yeah, this was definitely a way quicker way compared to freezing, which I guess it's my preferred method now, because I mean, I don't know. I think it also depends on what's the concentration of the detergent that you put in. If you put it more concentrated, then it's quicker. I don't know. But yeah, mine was, yeah, it's quite soapy. So yeah, I guess now I'm going to be freezing her, and we'll come back tonight to see when she is fully frozen. So yeah, my friend's coming over now. We're gonna go fishing. So yeah, let's just go put her in the freezer, and I'll be back later. So yeah guys, once again, I'm sorry that you have to see this. I'll end the video like right now, and tonight I'll come back after she is fully frozen and we'll do the outro. So yeah guys, see you in I don't know, 12 hours. Alright guys, we're back at the freezer and I put her in here. There she is, you guys. Sad, but that's how it is. Rest in peace, Miss Lord of Mercy. You've been good with us.